What's up, Serendra expats? Today we're going to be checking out High Street. They have really cool Christmas lights, so I want to show you guys that. Without wasting time, let's hop into the video. Alright guys, so we arrived on High Street and we have exactly what I want to show you guys. It is this awesome Christmas tree. I mean, look at this. These guys totally outdid themselves from last year. I mean, last year it was just one big Christmas tree. Now it's one big Christmas tree with a bunch of other little baby trees next to it. So based off of this, guys, if one thing is for sure, Filipinos sure do know how to celebrate Christmas, and they have the best Christmas spirit. It is absolutely humongous. I'd have to say it's probably around maybe 20 feet. So overall, a beautiful design on High Street. And so every single year we're here in the Philippines, it seems that these guys are able to top every previous Christmas season. I honestly don't know how they do it, because I mean, just take a look at this. I have no clue how they top last year's Christmas, but I'm really excited for next year's Christmas, see how they top this. Alright guys, but enough of the Christmas tree. We checked that out, it is awesome. Now we're gonna walk around High Street and check out the overall nightlife of the area. So here we are, guys, on Bonifacio High Street. We're gonna walk around now and check out the nightlife. Like I said, see how much people are out. And I gotta say, nowadays the restrictions are a lot looser. More people are allowed to go outside, and even if you have a family, you can take your kids out, let them get some fresh air. You don't have to wear face shields unless you're going into establishment. Here's another view of the Christmas tree. Absolutely humongous. Christmas here in the Philippines, the Filipinos, they definitely know how to celebrate Christmas. Obviously, I don't think there's any other country that celebrates it like 3 months in advance. So this is Kiwami, a Japanese restaurant. St. Louis, Uma. And then down this way, you have a botanical garden market, which we already checked out. There you have some sort of jumbotron, and you guys can already see, like I said, it's a lot less strict out, so more people are going out, more people are having dinner and eating out. So this is fully going to be a walking tour from here on out, guys, because I really don't even need to show my face. You probably wouldn't even see me in this kind of lighting, so we're just going to do a walking tour, guys. And if you're planning on coming here to the Philippines, I'm pretty sure that they're not allowing foreigners in yet. You expats that are planning to come here, I'm pretty sure they're not allowing you guys to come in here, which is unfortunate. But I just want to let you guys know that when they do open it up, at least from right now and its standards right now, the restrictions are very loose, other than the fact that you have to wear a mask. I know in the US you aren't really required to wear a mask when you're outside, and it seems that they also have another Christmas tree, but they haven't lit this up yet. We've also covered one Bonifacio High Street Mall in the past video, so you guys can check that out in the description down below. We go in depth into the mall, look at all the shops, all the restaurants. Here's Because Coffee. You guys, I don't know how many times I have to say, you guys already know how I feel about Because Coffee. Not a fan. But what I am a fan of, turn this corner right here, you have beautiful Christmas decorations. Love it. Wow, wow, wow. This looks great, guys. And the funny thing is, and it always cracks me up, is like, you'd think, I mean, we're pretty close to Christmas now. What are we, like 40 days or something away from Christmas? So I mean, it makes sense that these lights are up right now, but even 2-3 months ago, these lights were still up. So you already know how Filipinos are when it comes to celebrating Christmas. It starts very early. They're very festive about it. Quite a bit of people just relaxing, hanging out outside. And we'll actually take a loop around here on 1 Bonifacio High Street. There's definitely a lot of restaurants and shops that you guys have to check out here. Bakery. We went inside there. The baked goods look really good. And then further down here, you have a coffee shop and a steakhouse called Wolfgang's, which I think it's overpriced for how good the steaks are. we've tried the steaks and it was good the first couple times. The last time it wasn't. You could definitely just go to the grocery store and like buy a decent steak at Landmark, cook one up for cheaper, get your protein. All right, we're gonna take a loop now and check out the other side of 1 Bonifacio High Street. So yeah guys, not too many cuts in this video, not too much editing done. We're just keeping it simple so that you guys can feel like you're walking with me here. And even before this, we're going on 8 o'clock. Even before this, it was more crowded out. Between the hours of 5 to 7, I'd say that's when it's most crowded. It's still somewhat crowded right now, but it's starting to slow down. Again, awesome Christmas lights. You can see on the other side, more of those. Yeah, really cool environment here on High Street, for sure. So we already checked out 1 Bonifacio High Street. That was honestly really short, so let's walk all the way down to the other side of High Street and see what they have on the other side. Which it was actually perfect timing because they just turned on this Christmas tree that we were looking at earlier and it wasn't lit up. It seems pretty cool. I don't know, for some reason they have lemons on it. A really interesting design here. Lemons, tubes, totally tubular, guys. Cool. All right, now we're on the other side of High Street. Pretty much the same decorations with the lights coming out from the side, but you can see that there's quite a bit more people here just relaxing and sitting at the tables here. Pretty nice environment overall. Of course, you guys already know that this is a time where everybody comes out when it's no longer hot. Earlier today, even though we're in Christmas time here in the Philippines, I was out at like afternoon time, I'd say. Man, felt like I was gonna melt. It was so hot out. It's definitely a lot nicer when you come out during this time, 5 to 8 a.m. or p.m. You have a TGI Fridays here. Pretty cool. And I actually like how they have different theme lights here. On this side you have red, down that side you have green. Check out what else they have there too. What is this? Full bread, fried chicken food, boom. And then down there you have a Krispy Kreme. Alright guys, so we'll walk down the green area and see what they have there. Alright guys, let's walk down here and check out what they have in this area with the green lights. Plenty of shops and restaurants that you guys gotta check out here. So again, really cool Christmas lights on this side, just like the last. We'll see what other stores they have here. You have an Aldo, the Face Shop, Lush, Baskin Robbins down there. A lot of cool stuff. As you can see, here in the field, a lot of people just relaxing and hanging out. This is pretty much a clear example that the Philippines is pretty much, I'd say, back to normal. Aside from the fact that you have to, you know, I can't say it, but in other words, jib-jab to get into some of the establishments here. But for the most part, pretty much back to normal. A lot of people are out nowadays, way more than before. Look at that. You have a bread talk here. They have pretty decent croissants there. Penguin clothing store. Awesome. And then you could just loop around here. And then a bunch of other different stores like Under Armour, restaurants like Italiani's, you have Healthy Options, Claw Daddy's, Burger Brothers, and so much more. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, I have to thank you guys. We just reached 1,000 subscribers, so huge milestone. Very grateful for that. So God bless you guys for that. And thank you so much. I'm very grateful for you guys' support. So continue to hit that subscribe button so that we can get to our next goal of 2,000 subscribers. We're just starting, guys. We're just starting to grow the Savvy Expat family. So this is only the beginning, and you guys are sticking with me. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.